Okay guys, today we are on an absolute adventure. I can't wait. We are off to
Sohoton Cove.
Sohoton Cove, but they also say /Bucas Grande.
Yeah.
And we've been once before, but it was super rushed and we only went to like a few spots.
So we're gonna break down all the prices and I'll probably put it around here. But yeah, so we got breakfast here at the port. So they've got like little current area for breakfast and it's all fresh.
And it's takeaway, so we can have it on the boat, which kind of like takes away some of the long, because it's a long trip, it's 2 hours there, so that will help with the long boat trip.
Is that what we did last time?
Yeah, we did actually.
Yeah.
So we're here at the port and we're leaving very, very soon for a 2-hour boat trip to Sohoton Cove.
Yeah, so come and join us and do this little trip with us.
Let's go!
It's gonna be fun.
I can't wait.
Right, we're off to the boat.
We're walking to the boat now. I'm super exciting. I'm super excited.
It's early, it's like, not even, is it 7 o'clock yet?
5 to
7. We're about half an hour.
From the Bora series.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get it, bro. Are you excited for Sohoton, man?
Oh wait.
Yeah?
You remember these guys, right?
These guys, what the heck? We're back in the vlog, man.
So we got some snorkels. It's only 150 pesos each, and we don't have to pay till later.
So that's pretty decent actually. We've
Just
been places
under
where it's been 300, so that's pretty good. We are joined with, who are you?
What's up?
I forgot.
Jesus guys.
Dude, who am I? Sure you want to know?
No, this is RJ. I'm sure you've seen him in the vlogs before. He's one of a kind.
Is that a compliment? I'll take it as a compliment, don't worry.
We got Alex and Cheno over there. Give us a wave. Cheno, give us a wave. We got Lotte. We got Mig and Gab.
It's me, Bumiko Tyler, pero Mika na lang po ang yung pangalan. Yes, I think Mik. Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So let's go. So thank you for listening. If you have some question, just ask me lang po.
Yeah.
If you have that, okay. If you want more, I'll give you more. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the colour of this water. Grabe.
Wow. Ang ganda. Sus Mario said.
Okay guys, so we have arrived in paradise. We are here in Sohoton and oh my gosh, I cannot believe how beautiful it is. The water are all different shades of blue and green, like turquoisey colour. Everywhere you look it's a different colour and it's just so beautiful. But now we're at our first stop, which is Crystal Cave, so let's have a look. This is broken, I don't know. How did you find coming into Sohoton?
Really sleepy. Like on the way was really sleepy. But I can't wait to go to like the actual cove later. Then we'll see how it goes.
It was super long, but I did manage to get a bit of a nap in. 2 hours is too long.
Yeah. It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it.
Oh yeah, it will be.
You look like a fireman. Safety first.
You know how small that is?
Babe, you might madulas there.
You'll be able to see me, don't worry.
Yeah, you
I'm
shine.
blinding. You'll see me.
Hey Zoe, they said take the crystals.
No.
Alright guys, so we are now out of the cave. How was that, babe? What did you think?
Yeah, it's okay, but I was scared when that bat came at me.
For me, it was alright. Not my favourite.
I feel
But
like
if
caves-
you're a cave expert and a cave addict,
I think it's
I'll
because
give it a go.
we've been to loads of caves and they all kind of just look the same.
Yeah.
I mean, that one did have crystals, which you've never seen before, but a cave's a cave.
But anyway, let's go to the next destination. We are at Tiktikan Lake. We've never been here.
No, and it looks amazing. It kind of looks like Quran, to be honest.
So there's like 2 planks where you can jump off. There's a swing. There's even a slide.
I've not seen anyone on the slide though, so I don't know if you can do it. But it's absolutely beautiful here. The water looks incredible, yeah.
The scenery is amazing. Like, look at all them cliffs.
We're just surrounded by tree-filled cliffs, and they're so green, like so green.
Yeah. So we're just waiting for the tide to go a bit lower so that we can head over to Sohoton.
I think we're having our lunch here, which is a Boodle fight. So I'm excited for that as well because
Ooh, we haven't had a Boodle fight yet here in Siargao.
So I'm super excited for that. Boodle fight, right? You have to eat with your hands.
I've done that before. It's the first time I'm not eating meat though.
And we fight over the food too. Okay guys, sorry about the karaoke in the background, but we are now having some food here at...
It's amazing!
Yeah, here at the lake. We're having a Boodle fight, which is amazing. This is one of our first Boodle fights, I think, this time that we've been here.
Yeah.
No, in the Philippines, since we've been here.
Oh yeah, it's our first Boodle fight since we've been here.
Yeah, this time around we've not had a Boodle fight.
We normally have like a Boodle fight every week.
Every reunion we'd always have a Boodle fight, but we didn't this time, so I'm super excited to have a Boodle fight for the first time in 3 years, and I'm super excited to have all the food. There's lots of options there. There's like pork, chicken, shrimp, pancit, fruit. Yeah, so I'm super excited. So kain na. Mix, gutom ka?
Yes. So so hungry.
Kaon ta.
Kaon. Con hambre.
90%.
90%?
Like, okay, if 100 being starving, I'm probably like 110.
Like, yeah. What about you, Lo?
Hungry. You know what I'm really hungry for?
Oh, the mango.
I haven't had one since I've been back in the Philippines. I need to.
I break it, Jody.
There's Zoe.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Oh, I am busog.
Busog na ako.
Oh, that was so nice.
Manamit.
Literally, like me and RJ, we just couldn't stop eating. Like RJ's got the biggest appetite.
Dude, I think we should do an eating contest.
Oh, imagine that! I think we should do the there's a all you can eat in the island.
yeah,
Oh my
Oh
god!
yeah, see who can do
That'd
the
be
most
sick.
plates. Wow.
But anyway, we're gonna head down to Sohoton now. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. GoPro. So we'll see you in the GoPro. Okay, so we have to get on a different boat to get to Sohoton, and I think it'll take about 10-15 minutes, I'm not sure, but we're going to spend about 2 hours at Sohoton.
Really, 2 hours?
Yeah, I think so. So yeah, let's go. Here's our boat here. It's good for 7. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Sige. So the boat ride is only 4 minutes. It's super shallow. Right, look at that. I don't know if you can actually see it, but yeah, it's super shallow. Oh my god, the waves are crazy, especially on this tiny boat. Oh, it's calmed down now. Literally, at the time that I told you guys, it stopped. Alright, we're gonna go inside Sohoton Cove now, but we need to dock down, otherwise we're gonna lose our heads. Alright guys, so we have arrived inside Sohoton, and look at this, we're at the jellyfish sanctuary. There's so many! Oh my god. Oh, you can eat it? There's loads. Are we gonna jump here? Let's langoy!
Guys, oh my god, I literally jumped in, and the minute like my goggles entered the water, I was like, oh my gosh, it's like being in a movie or like an aquarium. It's crazy. Thank god they don't sting though, because they're jellyfish, but these ones are harmless, they don't sting you. But I'm trying not to like touch them, but there's just so many. It's crazy. Oh, it's amazing.
So the jellyfish sanctuary was amazing, but now we're gonna go to Hagukan Cave. Luckily, I don't really want to leave this place, but we're gonna have to leave at some point.
Best experience ever.
Yeah, like even though we've done it like once already, it just feels amazing still. It's still beautiful. Alright, let's go to Hagukan Cave.
Can you see them from there?
Yeah.
So we're in a dark cave, but look, the water makes it look green. We look green. Okay guys.
Keep all of it for now.
Okay. We've come out of the cave. We can see again. It was like so green in there.
Yeah.
Like, if you looked inwards, it was so dark, and then you turn around, it's like so green, and it kind of looked like we were all in slime. But yeah, it's super cool, unique. I've never swum in a cave like that before. Actually, I think we did that last time, no? But it didn't look green, it looked blue, right?
Yeah.
So different tide or something, I don't know. But anyway,
Alright, so the last stop for this trip is the cliff diving. I think it's Malag. What's the ano nga kaya Magkukoob Cave. Magkukoob Cave. So we'll be going inside the cave. We'll do like a little hike up and then jump off. So that's the only way down.
I didn't do it last time, so I'm gonna do it.
So yeah, let's go. Watch your head, guys. What was that? What was that, babe?
Sketchy.
And then we are here.
Alright,
How's it there?
it's good. Let's just go down.
Oh, look at that.
Oh!
Damn. Oh, what is that? I think that's bat poo.
No.
Oh, that's bat poo. Oh, you can smell it.
You like it?
Ew, no. Alright, let's get it. Should we count it down? Let's go! So that was so much fun, even though on the way up it was so sketchy because you couldn't see a thing. Anyway, we're gonna head back to the lagoon where we ate earlier to get all our stuff, and then we're gonna head back to the yard.
Okay guys, we're leaving Sohoton now. We'll talk to you when we get back because there was a bit of palaver at the end, so we'll give you the lowdown when we get back.
Eventually.
Like, you can't even see anything at the front. How did they know where we're going? Oh, man. If we make this, it's freaking red. Make sure to click that like button and subscribe.
Okay guys, we had a bit of a palaver. We had to put you away in the bag so you didn't get drenched.
Yeah.
We got caught in a storm on the way back and well, it didn't stop.
No, until now it's still going.
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy heavy. But we are now changed,
Showered.
all fresh.
So Sohoton itself is so nice, like the surroundings and the water, like it's just so nice to just sit there and like look around. Like it really does look so nice, and it's like so unique and not something you see everywhere. The jellyfish is just absolutely amazing.
Insane.
You literally put your head underwater and it's like you're in a movie or an aquarium or something. Like there are that many of them. So that was so cool. That was probably my favourite bit.
Yeah, for sure. Same. What about you, RJ? What was your favourite bit?
Dude, easy the jellyfish, man. I think I'd rate it like one of my top 2 favorite things to do here in the Philippines.
Whoa,
Wow.
that's big.
But you heard that, guys, so make sure to put that on your list.
We did have a bit of a palaver, that's why we couldn't vlog much, because when we came back, the tide was too low to get the boat back to where we'd left all our bags.
Sohoton Cave for me, it was absolutely amazing. Even though we've done it twice,
It was different this time.
it was still amazing. Like, especially the jellyfish and the cliff diving as well. Because it's just so much fun when you're with other people as well. Like,
Yes, sir.
But anyway, today was amazing. We're very grateful with Mark for planning our trip. So if you want to go around Siargao, make sure to check. Got Mark Tours. I'll put the link down below in the description. So we're going to end the vlog there. So make sure to like,
Share,
subscribe,
leave a comment down below.
press that notification bell on. Peace.
Bye.